Dear friends, greetings from RTU. We are happy to meet you again through the second video. Thank you for all your support, especially during this pandemic. We are able to reach out many families because of your support. Now, while doing this emergency relief work, we thought of taking you around RTU campus and what is happening during this pandemic and how the children are protected and other activities. This video is narrated by our former child of RTU who is now employed as a counselor for the children. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Hello friends, I am Meena. I am very happy to meet you all through this video. You should know that I came to RTU at the age of 8. I grew up here. I have completed my bachelor degree in science and also another degree in education. I have done postgraduate diploma studies in counseling. All these studies with the help from RTU. Now I am also student counselor in RTU. Let's walk through the campus and see what's happening around. Washing of hands is very important. During these days of pandemic, at the main entrance, we have soap and water facility. Those who come inside must wash their hands properly. We also check the temperature for those who come in. In case they have high temperature, then we ask them to report to the nearby clinic. We have traditional medicine Kabasura Kudineer. This is made of herbs from the hills. This increases the immunity power in our body. We prepare this in our kitchen. All take this medicinal water. Our clinic functions every day. We do have people coming for non-COVID ailments. We give medicines accordingly. This has been going on during these pandemic days also. Our mothers and children have returned from their homes. As they come in, we have provisions to wash their hands. We give masks and check their temperature. Inmates also go through this type of checkups on regular basis. Our student nurses are helping us. The quarantined mothers and children have their own entertainments, indoor and outdoor games. They are well taken care of. Our children as always get nutritious food. They are given lot of fruits and grams. It is wonderful to see them sitting together and mothers serving the food for the children. RTU does not have a religion. So, we have inter-religious prayer services in the evenings for our children in the children's villages. During the day, the children are busy with some activities through which they also learn something. The birthday of Brother Tata was celebrated in his memorial hall. Only prayer service was held. We have organized an in-service training program for our teachers. 63 teachers participate in this program. Modern society demands high quality teaching and learning from teachers. It is a continuous and important process. This training promotes teacher skills, master new knowledge, develop new proficiency. We help them to find out their craft, pushing their boundaries of their learning and teaching, looking for the new topics and ways to teach. The children are very creative. See how they are playing. This is a branch of a coconut tree. It has fallen and they are geniuses in creating a play material out of that.
Thank you for your patient listening and may God bless you all.